Brussels, a city full of windows, yet few invite you in. Everywhere you look, glass reflects the world around it. Buildings, traffic, passers-by, all blending into the display. What's behind the glass remains distant, unreachable, until one window stands out. No glare, no reflection, only absolute transparency. Inside, craftsmanship meets elegance, each candle a story, each scent to signature, and it all begins with how it's seen. That's why Baobab made the deliberate choice to partner with AGC and incorporate their high-performance anti-reflective glass into the design. This glass, called Clearsight, reduces reflection to a minimum, revealing what matters most. When reflection disappears, experience takes center stage, because some choices aren't loud, they're smart.